Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post guide video. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Frontier accounts. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to log into your Frontier account. After you do that, the first option over here, sign into your Frontier account, click on it. Make sure it takes you to frontier.com. That is the official website of Frontier. Now once you're in this page, which is the login page of Frontier, where it says email, enter your email address which you linked when you created your Frontier account. And where it says password, you need to enter the password of your account. Click on sign in. Once you do that, you should be able to log in into your Frontier account. And if you forgot your password or email, there's these two options. You can click on them to recover it as well. So that's it for today's video. If you guys found our video helpful on how to log in into your Frontier account, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step for more login related videos just like this. I'll see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until then.